Okay, today I'll be servicing my Broan bathroom exhaust fan. I installed this myself back in 2001. So it's been here going on 24 years. For the most part, it works. Every now and then it will have a tendency to run at kind of a slow RPM and take a minute to get up to speed, especially on the colder days if it's cold in the attic or whatnot. And I've had this thing jerry-rigged up with an extension cord with this switch spliced in the plug since day one, since at the time, and still don't have the experience of actually wiring the fan up to the circuit, but it still works very good. Well, it actually is running a little bit slow right now. Starting to gain a little bit of speed. Okay, people, I'm in all these public places with exhaust fans to the bathroom, and the grills of them will absolutely be caked in dust. Nobody will ever clean them, and no wonder the fans have a short lifespan. Number one, they get so dusty that they can't exhaust good. Number two, ultimately that ends up burning up the motor. So it's very crucial to keep these fans clean. Go ahead and screw off the grill. One tool I found that comes in handy for this task is my Makita leaf blower. Got my drill here because gonna need it for unscrewing the fan motor, but can kind of see dust spilled up on that grill there. You see how this fan motor has all that dust caked up like it does, getting very profuse? That's not good at all. Deprive it of adequate ventilation and lead to the ultimate demise of the fan. So I'm gonna take my drill and unscrew these two screws and get the fan right out. Here's the fan totally out of the compartment. The blade doesn't look as bad as what I thought. Can kind of see brown residue on the blades, because back in the day, this fan was used to exhaust up my cigar smoke when I used to smoke cigars, and ultimately it led to brown tints around the blades. But the motor is what we need to really focus on, the TLC. So I'm gonna fixing to take this outside and give it a blow down. That looks a lot better. Why not get the grill while I'm at it? I also took a paper towel and kind of wiped down the blade to the best of my ability, along with the grill. Now I'm gonna take this 3-in-1 oil. I'm gonna try and put a little bit of oil where the wicks are here on the shaded pole motor. Got a little bit of oil, down kind of both of these sleeves here. A few drops, and hopefully that's what reach our wicks. And now I'm gonna kind of hand spin it a little bit. Let that oil get all settled. This bathroom exhaust fan has an actual traditional propeller blade, whereas most of the new exhaust fans have like an impeller instead of, well, this traditional propeller blade. There is a little bit of dust buildup here in the cavity. Got these gravity control dampers here. It's important that these are able to close after the fan shuts off to keep, well, the cavity sealed. So you're gonna take a paper towel and kind of wipe off in that area. Okay, got the fan back in place, and make sure the blade spins freely. Since the blade is spinning freely, we're free to go. Test run. Not too bad for as old as this fan is. Fan is reassembled, and hopefully it will live another day or two.